Welcome to my channel. Do you read English but still don't understand it? Or you forget everything after reading just one page? Don't worry. Today, I will show you a simple way to improve your reading skills step by step, and if you stay till the end, you will start reading like a pro. Chapter 1: Why Reading Feels Difficult and How to Fix It. Many students think that reading English is very difficult. Maybe you also feel the same. You open a page, you start reading, and after a few lines, you feel stuck. You don't understand everything. You forget what you just read, and slowly you lose interest. Let me tell you something very important. This is completely normal. You are not weak. You are just using the wrong method. And today, we are going to fix that. The biggest mistake beginners make is this: they try to understand every single word. They stop again and again. They use a dictionary for each difficult word, and they try to translate everything into their own language. This breaks your flow. Reading becomes slow, boring, and stressful. And because of that, your brain gets tired very quickly. But here is something surprising. Even advanced English learners do not understand every word. Yes, you heard that right. They focus on the main idea, not on every small detail. Reading is not about perfection. Reading is about understanding the message. Imagine you are watching a movie. Do you stop the movie every second to understand every line? No. You watch, you enjoy, and you understand the story step by step. Reading works in the same way. You have to train your mind to catch the meaning, not chase every word. Another common problem is fear. When you see difficult words, you feel nervous. You think, I cannot do this. But the truth is, you don't need to know every word to understand a sentence. Your brain is smart. It can guess meaning from context. You just need to trust it. So, what is the simple solution? Stop focusing on every word. Start focusing on the idea. Read smoothly. Don't stop too much. If you miss a word, just continue. Slowly, your understanding will improve. Your speed will increase. And reading will start feeling easy and enjoyable. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I understand this, but how do I actually read in the right way? Don't worry. In the next chapter, I will show you a powerful and simple technique that can instantly improve your reading speed and confidence. Stay with me.
Chapter 2: The Right Way to Start Reading Simple Techniques. Now listen carefully. If you follow the methods I am going to show you in this chapter, your reading will start improving in just a few days. Yes, it is that simple. You don't need difficult grammar or advanced vocabulary. You just need the right technique. The first technique is called skimming. Skimming means reading fast to get the main idea. You don't read every word. You just move your eyes quickly over the text and try to understand what the passage is about. For example, if you see a paragraph, don't stop at every line. Just read it quickly and ask yourself, what is this about? Maybe it is about a student, a story, or a problem. That's enough in the beginning. This builds your confidence and trains your brain to think in English. The second technique is scanning. Scanning means looking for specific information. For example, if I ask you find a date, a name, or a number, you don't read everything slowly. You move your eyes quickly and find that one thing. This makes your reading faster and smarter. You don't always need to read everything deeply. Now comes the most powerful technique, reading in chunks. Many beginners read word by word. This is a big mistake. Instead, you should read groups of words together. For example, don't read like this: I am going to school. Read like this: I am going to school. This makes your reading smooth and natural. Your brain understands faster when words are connected. Let's do a quick practice. Imagine this sentence: Ali went to the market to buy some fruits. Don't translate it. Just read it once and ask yourself, what is happening? You will quickly understand. Someone went to buy fruits. That's it. You don't need to stop at every word. Always remember this. It is okay to guess meaning. You don't need to be perfect. The goal is to understand, not to translate. Now you know how to read better and faster. But here is the next problem. Many students read something and after a few minutes they forget everything. So how do you understand deeply and remember what you read? That is what we will learn in the next chapter. Stay focused. Chapter 3, How to Understand and Remember What You Read. Reading without remembering is like pouring water into a broken glass. It just disappears. Many students read again and again, but still they forget everything. If this happens to you, don't worry. The problem is not your memory. The problem is your method. Now I will show you a very simple way to understand and remember what you read. The first step is this: read and pause. Don't read a big paragraph all at once. Read 1 or 2 lines, then stop for a moment. Give your brain time to think. Ask yourself a very simple question. What did I just read? Even if your answer is small or not perfect, it is okay. This habit trains your brain to stay active. The second step is asking questions. While reading, keep asking, who is this about? What is happening? Why is it happening? These small questions make your reading powerful. Instead of just looking at words, you start thinking. And when you think, you understand better. The third step is to repeat in your own words. This is very important. After reading a sentence or a short paragraph, try to say it again in simple English. For example, if you read, Ali went to the market to buy fruits, you can say, Ali went shopping for fruits. See, you understood it, and you changed it into your own words. This makes your memory strong. Another helpful habit is highlighting or noting important points. You don't need to write everything. Just pick key ideas. This helps your brain focus on what is important and ignore what is not necessary. Let's do a quick mental exercise. Imagine you read a small story. After reading, close your eyes and try to remember the main idea, not every detail, just the main idea. This simple action improves your memory a lot. Always remember this: understanding comes from thinking, not just reading. If you read like a machine, you will forget. If you read like a thinker, you will remember. And one more thing, don't worry about speed right now. First, focus on understanding. Speed will come automatically with practice. Now you know how to read and how to remember. But there is one last problem. Many students start learning, but they stop after a few days because they feel bored or busy. So how do you make reading a daily habit and enjoy it? That is what we will learn in the next chapter. Stay with me. Chapter 4, How to Build a Daily Reading Habit Without Getting Bored. The secret is not reading more. So Kate to Sig, not reading more. The secret is reading daily. Many students think they need to study for long hours to improve their English.
But the truth is very simple. Small daily practice gives big results. If you read a little every day, your English will improve faster than someone who reads a lot only once a week. So, how do you build this habit? Start very small. Don't say, I will read for 1 hour. No, start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Yes, only 5 to 10 minutes. This feels easy, and your mind will not resist. Once you build consistency, you can slowly increase your time. Remember, consistency is more important than quantity. The next step is choosing the right content. Many beginners make a big mistake. They pick very difficult books. Then they feel frustrated and stop reading. Don't do that. Choose simple and interesting content. It can be short stories, basic English articles, or even children's books. If the content is interesting, you will enjoy reading and you will not feel bored. Another important habit is this: don't force yourself. If you are tired, just read something light. If you don't understand everything, It's okay. Keep going. Reading should feel relaxed, not stressful. The more relaxed you are, the better you will learn. Now, let me give you a simple daily routine. Every day, take 5 to 10 minutes. First, skim the text quickly to understand the idea, then read slowly and try to understand. Pause and think. Ask questions. Repeat in your own words. That's it. This small routine can change your reading skills completely if you follow it regularly. Also, track your progress. You can mark days on a calendar or keep a small notebook. When you see your progress, you feel motivated, and motivation helps you continue. Always remember this: improvement takes time, but it is 100% possible. If you stay consistent and follow these simple steps, your reading skills will improve faster than you think. One day, you will read English confidently without fear. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I will improve my reading skills. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who want to learn English.